Hey y'all, it's Christina. So welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're gonna do a look that I've never done before on my hair in this current state. Since it's short, I'm kind of scared, but I'm ready. I feel like the results are gonna be so bomb. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the products that I'll be using, y'all know I don't like using too many products for different styles. I like keeping it simple because there's less flakes and less buildup as well. So like I said, it's only going to be 2 products for today. This product is fairly new, but I like it and I love how it smells. This product I've been using for a while now, so let's get into them. So this first product is from the brand As I Am, and it's from their classic, their classic line. This is the double butter cream. So it has cocoa butter in it, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, and sugar beetroot, and it says a rich daily moisturizer. I love this stuff so much. I know y'all hear in almost all of my videos now that like I love texture. I'm like a texture person, but like I really do, and this stuff is so thick. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's just so rich, and I mean, it's like butter. Like it's just so thick and creamy, and I love that. I love that for my hair. I've used this product before for like a twist out and a braid out, I believe, and it was really good, so I already know this is gonna work well. So like I said, this is a new product that I've tried, and I used this. What did I use it for? I think I used this for a wash and go. It did not turn out how I expected it to, so I just washed it all out of my hair. I think it was a wash and go, but I didn't let it dry enough, and it was just a lot going on. So we're gonna give her another try. I've heard really good things about her, and she smells good, and I also like the brand Camille Rose, so I said I'm gonna give it another try. We're gonna see with this braid out and see what results we get. And then of course, for the twist part at the end, you'll obviously need some perm rods. These are my favorite perm rods for this look that I'm achieving. It's like the perfect size, so I really do love that. You'll pretty much need maybe some hair ties. Obviously you're gonna need some clips, and then I got a dimming brush just in case, just to make sure that this style is very, very smooth. So enough talking, let's get to styling. I usually do this style on freshly blow dried hair or a 2-week-old silk press. In this instance, it was a silk press that had gotten way too puffy for my liking. So we started with 1-inch parting. Once we got that, I went in with some Blue Magic to my scalp. I forgot to say I do want to use some Blue Magic on my roots, because Tina wants strong, healthy hair, like back in the day. Anyway, after that, I go in with the double butter cream from As I Am. Then I coat my hair with the spiked honey mousse from Camille Rose and smooth that in with the comb. Once all products are in my hair how I like it, I begin to braid it, but not all the way down. You have to save some space for the perm rod at the end. I'm going to show the same normal speed version for these next 2 braids, but after that, I'm speeding things up so that we can get to how I wrap it at night for sleep. Okay, so I am finally done doing my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm finally done. Only use those 3 products. Blue Magic on my scalp, As I Am Double Buttercream, and then I can't think of the last one. Sorry y'all, I had some wine. Don't fault me for it, but it'll be up here somewhere. So now I'm about to throw a wrap over it. I'm thinking though, yeah, I'm just gonna throw a wrap over it. I'm just not realizing this is not gonna be the best sleep, but I know something that'll probably help with my sleep, with like cushioning this. So I'll be like, okay. So let me see. Let me just wrap this first. Okay, which side is gonna pick? Be the best wrapper for me. I ain't even gonna think of it. Just like it is what it is. Yeah, just do that. So that, this is how I'm gonna do that. And then I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna put this. I be putting this on when I'm like, I be taking my makeup off and I put this on, but this really just gives cushion. That's the only reason why I'm putting it on. It gives cushion that a bonnet can't give you. So now I'm gonna put my bonnet on, and that's pretty much it. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Night night. So here I am taking some oil on my hands and rubbing it on each braid to add for extra shine and to also help combat frizziness before it begins. And also I've already taken off all of the perm rods off of all of my ends. I recommend doing that to save some time because it really does help speed up the process. By the way, I do have the tutorial for this makeup look out now. So if you like the look, I'll have it linked below in the description and in the upper right corner of this video. With taking out these braids, you have to be very careful to prevent any frizziness. So when I undo the braids, I make sure to keep the spiral at the end still intact by just swirling my finger through it first. I do recommend separating the braids for volume after you've unbraided all of them first. Once I was done taking them out, I had to make the decision of either adding volume or length. With these products that I used this time, I chose length over volume to keep the definition. Though I like both of these products separately, I will say that they gave me a pretty good braid out, but I definitely have had better. So I'll definitely keep experimenting with different products to see what works best for my hair and the length that it's at right now, because it's still very new to me. Here I'm just stretching the hair and aiming that blow dryer downward on my hair to add some more length. After that, I decided to do a cute little style with the sides. And yeah, y'all, this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me know what other hairstyles you would like to see from me. Like always, everything that I use is mentioned down in the description box. See y'all next week. Bye.